Yes, total surface area cylinder.
Surface area of cylinder. It's pi.
Yeah.
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH is total surface.
2 pi r square.
2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Third surface area.
Third surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH.
Okay. Base area.
Base area is pi r square.
Volume.
Volume is pi r square h.
Power cylinder. Volume.
Power cylinder's volume is pi r bracket r.
Pi r or pi h?
Pi h bracket capital R square minus
Pi r square minus small r square. Sorry. Anjali learn everything. Last class I asked you, no? Hello, 2 minutes class. What is your? Hello, revising, revisiting. Are you busy?
No, sir.
Okay. Stand up.
No, sir. It's 200.
So today 2 minutes करके one lecture will be over, no?
No, sir.
And you
I tried.
ask me, okay, you said no, ask me. Okay, stand up. Okay, which one here? Sphere. Everything. Okay, sphere. What name of sphere? Sphere is 2 by 3. Surface area of the sphere. Not pi r square. 4 pi. Only telling that. So you have to tell us what name of the sphere. You don't know. So. Volume.
I know, but I
know. I don't know. What is it?
3 pi r cube.
Oh, very good. CSA. 2 pi r square. Total surface area.
3 pi r.
Oh, base area. Sit down. Something learned this time. Sit down. Dinesh has done. Wait. So, pink, what is going on here? Now, take out exercise. What is the doubt?
Sir, if answer is given 218.064 and I got answer is 417.602. Will that be okay?
That's much different. What pi you have taken different values also.
Oh, I took like 1/3 was there, so I was
But that much difference is not come generally. Okay, if it is coming out to generally don't get that much. Some decimal difference only comes. Read the question.
The question was that a solid line of a right
Yeah.
circular cylinder
Solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder.
with an elliptical shape at one point, cone at the other end.
Okay.
The common diameter is 4.2 centimeter.
4.2.
And the
Okay.
cylindrical end is and conical portions are 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of the solid rod.
So you have the hemisphere, cylinder, and the cone. Heights are different. Okay. So 2 by 3 hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube, 1 by so pi r square h, and 1 by 3 pi r square h1.
What they have done is that they have kept this 3 which is coming in the brackets.
3 also taken outside.
Yes.
So
But
then
didn't take 3 out.
chalega na. What is not the issue?
That's why this.
Look here now. This is first one is coming as 2/3 pi r cube plus pi r square h plus 1 by 3 pi r square. You can take it as h1. If you want to write 1 by 3 pi r square, you can take common. Okay, what did you take common?
1 by 3.
1 by 3 pi r square. Then this is coming 2r. R nine 2r plus 3h plus h1. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 by 3 into 22 by 7. 4.2 means 2.1. into 2.1 है ना और 21 by 10 into 21 by 10.
Yes.
This is 4.2 plus 12 and 8 no
Yes.
12 threes are 36 plus 8 7 threes are 21 so 22 into 21 by 100 okay 36 plus 8 44 in plus 4 48 multiply and put the decimal na this is the answer you got 22 into 21 to 48.2
When it like this, it was 22 into 0.63 into 0.63.
2.1 into 63 already. Actually, this 3 was there. And into
Uh,
and bracket
Bracket I got 15.7.
50.7.
15.
1.5. So division you did
Yes, I got the answer as 217.6.
15 point. That is 15.9. 16.2. 48.2 no?
Yes, but like that 2.3 was actually 1.3.
Huh?
That 2.5 which I took was actually 1/3.
2.5.
It was some value.
No, the inside bracket one is wrong. 15.9.
It was 1/3 into 7 which I directly like calculated.
1/3 into
7.
this one. 1/3 into 7. There is no 7 now. You are getting us 2.
No, I did not put 1/3 outside.
1/3 is not outside means how much? Okay, then it is coming as how much? This is 2/3 now.
Yes.
4.2 divided by 3. 1.4. Will you get 1.4?
Yes,
Then next is coming as H. H is 12.
yes.
Okay, then next is coming as H1, 8 by 3.
It should be 1/3 into 7.
Why 7? H is how much? H1 is how much?
It is 12 and 7 centimeters.
7, I guess.
Yes.
That is 7. Then it is coming as 36 plus 7, 43 plus 4, 47.2.
Yes.
Okay, 47.2 is coming as how much it is coming, I'll tell you.
This only 218.064.
This one you don't, this is coming as, this is divided by 3 if you have not taken that one, 3 as common, okay. Then don't divide, you cancellation you can do now.
But like I got that 7/3 there.
You got us,
Calculated 7/3.
why did you divide? LCM you could have taken, no? You could have cancelled.
That I did.
That is why the difference is coming. Okay,
I have one more doubt.
Hmm.
I did not understand.
tell.
A solid toy
Is all of you listen now? Acha, you could, all 4 I will make in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 benches, okay? You only tell them to be quiet. You are not, then who was talking? I am talking,
No,
no?
I'm not talking.
Then who is talking?
Then her turn.
Ah,
A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone.
hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. Okay.
Height of the cone is 2 centimeter and diameter.
For the cone is height is equal to how much? 2 centimeter.
And diameter of the base is 4 centimeter.
That is R is also is 2 centimeter.
Yes.
And hemisphere also radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay.
If a right circular cylinder circumscribes the solid,
Uh,
find how much more space will it cover?
how much more space? That means volume of the circumscribed. Volume of the cylinder minus volume of the coil.
So if you just want to ask,
Also,
the space left?
so that means for the cylinder it will be coming as the height will be equal to for cylinder. Height is equal to 4. Isn't it? This is the one now.
Height of the cone is
2 plus 2 4 now. Yes or no?
Yes.
And radius equal to 2.
yes.
Okay, therefore, how much space means volume of cylinder pi r square capital H minus in bracket 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Are you going out or not? Everywhere pi r square you can take common. Then next is capital H minus 2r by 3 minus h by 3. Okay, that is pi into 2 square. Then capital H is how much? 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to how much? Yes, all of you sign now. That is 6 by 3, 2, 4 minus 2. That is equal to pi into 4 into 2, 8 pi. Sir, what happened? Good. 8 pi centimeter.
They basically meant us to find out the
Extra space means additional volume. Okay, that is equal to volume of the. This we have done now. Last class we did now. There is a for a cylindrical vessel. There is a solid of this one. Solid in the shape of a cone and a hemisphere is this one. What excess water required? Same thing. Okay now. Any others got a doubt? Anyone got a doubt? Are there some practices are going on? What practice you done? Applying trigonometry, you know how to do. Okay, you share and statistics formula, you know. What's the formula for mod? L into or L plus?
L plus F1 minus F4 divided by 2F1 minus F4 minus F2
Okay, very good. You what is practice? Sanjini? Circle. Done. Theorem I last. What do you practice? Surface area. Formula only you know now. That is done. Median formula.
Median L plus L by 2 minus F upon F into H. That did not do.
Why?
I was not well.
Oh, what happened to you?
But I was having a headache.
Okay. You?
Sir,
I did the. What did you do? I am asking.
subject.
Huh? I know other subject. Stand up. Bring a notebook here. Let me see other subject.
Maths.
A maths notebook you bring here. Let me see. Come.
Classwork.
Classwork book you bring it over here now. She will complete lot of things. You what did you do? Learn. Okay, tell formula for mod. Come here, Priya, with the notebook. Arey, fast.
Sir, wait, sir.
Wait for what? Quicker.
Sir, I need median का formula.
अच्छा median का formula. Sit over here.
Sir, no, sir.
Sit. Not studying. Volume he asked. Pass that volume or volume. Oh, she will. Next, you. Surface area, but still formula. Huh? Practice you did. I can ask 2 questions from there. Everything little only. Formula also little. What is the surface area of the sphere? Pi r square. Sir, 4 I will tell later. Like that you realize. Riyesh, not well. So not done anything. All are statistics only. 3-4 people are statistics. Formula you know. Okay, what is the step deviation method formula? That is not FIX. That is not the. That is assumed to me. Your pen there, you go and take down from there. Yeah. This all every time you move down this one.
A plus summation of Fi UI upon summation of Fi.
There's something else also. H into H, where UI is equal to Xi minus A upon H. U area related to circle. Study what is the area of a minor segment?
Area of
Area of
the area of sector minus area of
area of the sector only find out.
That was 60
It should not come down again. Okay.
minus pi.
Minus or into pi? How this is theta is equal to 60 degree.
Sir, I was asking
You
for better.
you
Sir, I
like a
was
snapper,
asking for
okay?
better. Move has been.
I'm telling you, I will snap her, okay?
Sir, move has been.
If any movement is there, you will tell.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah, when theta is 60 degree, only find the area of the triangle.
Area of triangle. Theta is equal to 60.
Uh,
60 upon.
not 60 upon the triangle will come up with that.
Equilateral.
So what is the area of equilateral triangle?
Minus root 3 by.
Minus root 3.
In the formula, plus minus root 3.
Plus minus.
No, sir. First we write the formula, then minus root 3 by 2 into side square.
Root 3 by 4 r square. What minus and all? Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 r square. Minus all things are when you subtract. Okay. What did you practice? Trigonometry. What is x square theta equal to? Sec square theta equal to? What's it?
Sec square theta equals to
tan minus 1. It is not tan minus 1. 1 plus tan square theta. What is this? Their dog chain or something? What is it? Gold. And you are wearing gold and coming. Are you okay? You know what the cost of a gold? Somebody snatch and go, then no problem. Let them go. You are rich man, no?
not original.
Gold, no problem. What did you learn? Nothing. Other subject. Give your mommy's number. Tell. I don't know. Huh? That break time call mommy. I'll talk. Okay. 911 yes. Keep quiet here.
sir, can I sit?
You sit down here only.
Sir, please.
I am pleased. Okay. You sit there and talk all the time.
Sir, second bench.
Don't talk to her. He is nice. He doesn't talk to girls. Great. Hello. What I say, there's non repeat, okay? Okay, now we have in this exercise 12.2. How many questions we have done? 8 questions is done now or not done? Yeah, you said are done now. Okay. Next question number, raise it properly. Question number 9. Listen carefully. These are different types of questions that are coming. Okay, Fernandez.
The rainwater from a roof 20 meters into 20 meters drains into a cylindrical vessel having diameter of base 2 meter and height 3.5 meter. If the vessel is just full, find the rainfall in centimeters.
Are you followed what is this? The rainwater collected on the roof. Listen carefully. Rainwater collected on the roof transferred into where? Into a vessel. What is the shape of the vessel? Cylindrical. And the vessel is full. Then what is the this one relation? What is the relation? There should be a volume of water collected on the roof is same as volume of water in the vessel. What is the shape of the water on the roof? What is the shape of water on the roof? What is cuboid? Is it or not? If you take water in any vessel, what is the shape of the water? Shape of that vessel? Understood or not? If you take water in the glass, shape of the glass, cylindrical means cylindrical, bottle means bottle. Okay, are you followed? So on the roof, volume of water is same as volume of the cuboid. And what is the volume of the water in the vessel? Cylindrical. That much is clear all of you. Now, so volume of water collected on the roof is same as volume of water in the cylinder. That much is clear. Now, when the water is collected, bottle show me one of the water bottle I think. Look here. When water is there, look here. If a water contained in this one bottle, suppose if this water is still here only. Suppose the water is still my finger only here, then the radius of the water will be same as the radius. This is cylindrical one, no? Radius of the water will be same as the radius of the cylinder. What is the height of the water? It is not height of the cylinder. This much only. Are we followed or not? Wherever water is collected, base will remain the same. Means in a cylinder cuboid, when water is collected, length and breadth of the water will remain same. Height will be according to the height of the water now. Suppose it's water till here, then height is here. Suppose it's water here, till height is here. Height will be keep on varying. That much is clear. If it is full means height is equal to height. Suppose if this bottle contains full of water means height of the water is same as height of this bottle. That much is clear all of you. Now that is the first condition. Second condition is one more condition they ask. What is the rainfall in centimeter? Do you know what is by rainfall? What is the rainfall in centimeter means? Louder.
Height of rainfall.
Height of rainfall. What do you mean by height of rainfall? Whatever water collected on the cylinder, on the roof, its height is called height of rainfall. Do you know what I mean by rainfall? You must have read newspaper or in your geography. Then rainfall is 9 millimeter. Rainfall, highest rainfall is equal to 144 millimeter. Like that is coming now. Then what does it meaning? There will be a vessel, open vessel will be there, kept over there to collect the water in the when it's raining. Whatever height of that water in that vessel is called height of the rainfall. Are you followed? We keep a vessel in the open air to collect the water of the rainfall. How much water collected? See, it's measure height. That height is called the height of the rainfall. Here it is height of the rainfall means it is coming as height of the water on the which one roof. Are you followed this much? Clear? Not followed? Are you speak yes or no? So Dia, are you followed? Okay. Followed or not? So right, let the height of the rainfall is equal to h meter. Okay. Let the height of the rainfall is equal to h meter. Written. Then below right. For water collected on the roof. For water collected on the roof. On the roof. Below right. L is equal to 22 meter. B is equal to 20 meter for water collected on the roof. L is equal to 22 meter. B is equal to how many meter? 20 meter. H is equal to H. Okay, H is equal to H. Volume of water collected is equal to LBH. Volume of water collected is equal to LBH, which is equal to 22 into 20 into H. That is equal to 440 H meter cube. This much water is collected on the roof. 440 H. Are you followed, all of you? Speak now.
Yes.
Okay. Next is for the cylinder. So the cylinder R is equal to how much is the radius and height is given? You want to check. The diameter of the base is equal to 2 meter. R is equal to how much? 1 meter. And H is equal to how much? 3.5 meter. 3.5 is same as 7 by 2. Are you followed? How did you made it to 7 by 2? Are you followed? How did you made it to 7 by 2? If not, look here. How did you make it to 7 by 2? 3.5 means 3.5. 0.5 means half. Did I explain this in the class? Did I explain this? Did I speak something? 0.5 means how much? Half. 0.25 means how much? 1 upon 4. 0.75 is how much? 3 by 4. If it is 3.5 means 3.5. That is equal to mixed fraction 7 by 2. You want to write 35 by 10 and cancel. You will 3.25. What is the meaning? 3 1 by 4. How much is 3 1 by 4? 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. 5.75. How do you convert? 5 1. No need to write this one. If you want to write, write. How much? 5 4s are 20 plus 23 by 4. So 3.5 means 3.5, 7 by 2. Understood all of you now? Is it clear? That calculation is easy. Why I am telling this one means if you write 5.75 is equal to 575 by 100. Cancellation sometimes you make mistake. This is correct. There is no problem. Cancellations and all we make mistake. So that is why if you are writing 5, 3 by 4, it's easy to calculate. Therefore, volume is equal to 5r square h. That is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1 into 7 by 2. How much you got? 11 meter cube. Not follow. Okay, then you can write down. Deepam, are you following? Riya, followed. Okay, then write. Next, write down. Volume of water collected on the roof. Volume of water collected on the roof. 22 by 7 into 1 into 7 by 2, 11. Written. Next, volume of water collected on the roof is equal to volume of water in the cylinder. Volume of water collected on the roof is equal to volume of water in the cylinder. If you want to write this as 1, this is 2. Therefore, what will you get? 440 H is equal to 11. And I equated both of them. Meter cube, not need to write. Therefore, H is equal to 40. Wrong. H is equal to 11 by 440 is how much? 1 by 40 meter. That is equal to 100 by 40 centimeter. Cancel 10 by 4. 2.5 centimeter. 1 by 40, na? 2.5 centimeter. Are you followed, all of you? This type of questions, important type of questions. What happened? Are you equated, na? This is equal to this. Cross multiply. 11 upon 440. 11 fours are. Cancel 11 and 40. 1 by 40. That much is meter. And you convert meter to centimeter into 100. 100 by 40. 0, 0 cancel. 10 by 4. 5 by 2. 2.5. Okay? Sure. Okay. We have followed. Look, what is it? Sir.
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything.
Because
What's up? Sanjeevani, what talking is going on? Nothing. Okay. Now, 9 done now. Yes. Arya read.
A spherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter is full of water. Its content is emptied in a cylindrical vessel of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of water in cylindrical vessel.
What will remain same? What remain the same? Volume. Means what? Volume of the hemisphere is full, na? Both are full. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. Yes or no? So right. First statement right. Volume of the hemispherical tank. Volume of the hemisphere. Hello, hero, write down. Volume of the. I am not going to write on the board. Right. Volume of the hemispherical tank is equal to volume of the cylindrical. Hemispherical tank is equal to volume of the cylinder. Okay. Volume of the cylindrical vessel. Then here most of the cases pi don't need to substitute. Then for the hemisphere, R is equal to 9 centimeter. For the hemisphere, R is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3 pi into 9 cube, centimeter cube. If you don't need to simplify, leave as it is even. If you want to cancel, don't put the value of pi. If required, at last you can put it. Okay? Then for the cylindrical vessel, what is the radius and height? Something is not given. Radius is equal to how much?
6.
6 centimeter is the radius now, and height is not there. Radius equal to 6 centimeter, height unknown question mark. Volume is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to how much? Pi into 6 square into h. 36 pi h centimeter cube. Second condition. Or you can write this as third condition. That first equation write as a you wrote now volume is equal to volume, that you write as condition number 1. So from 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Equate 2 by 3 pi into 9 cube is equal to 36 pi h. Cross multiply h is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 9 3 times divided by denominator 36 into 5. Got the answer? Cancel and get the value. How much? Who got? Cancel, all of you cancel. Pi cancel. 36 cancel. 3 cancel. 2 cancel. Not that way. Make into fraction. Not this side, that side. Make into fraction. Otherwise, you make mistake. Cancel na. 3 and 9 cancel. Then 36, where did you cancel? 36 is cancelled with what? 9 fours are. So right, 9 fours. Where 4 will write? 9 ones are and 9 4 is here now. How this is 1 now. Then 4 this is cancelled. Answer. How much? Every one is waiting only. 3 or 4 only done. 27 by 2 who got it. Look here, this even it's so complicated, not. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 4 and 2. Pi and pi. Left out is 9 3s are 27 by 2. 13.5. Unit is what? Centimeter. Height is equal to 13.5. Careful in calculations. This all doesn't have much calculation. Be careful. You got smart boy. Oh. So I ask everyone to clap for you. Tell him you. No. One cancellation. This is so complicated. Acha, I did this side. Don't do that way. You make mistake. Correct. How much you got in the school exam? Out of 80? Sir, below 40, na? 43. Then, one more one. 44. And you are not studying only. Studying what studying? Still, you I study get from 70 above and tell me. I will get 80. Okay, next question. Who read the question? Sanjeevni, read the question.
A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by
Hey. Stand up. Next, you open your mouth. I'll give you a proper question.
A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 25 by 7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty half the volume of the tank if the diameter of the base of the tank is 3 meters?
Are you followed? There is a hemispherical tank full of water. And what is the dimension of the tank is given? Diameter of the tank is equal to 3 meters. Its radius is equal to 3 by 2 meters. It contains full of water. How much water to be emptied? Half the volume. Then how it is emptied? By a pipe at the rate of by a pipe at the rate of 25 by 7 liters per second. Do you know what is the meaning of 25 by 7 liters per second? Anyone? Liter stands for what? Liter, that is 1000. Liter stands for, no, 1000 and all. Liter stands for, no, no. Liter stands for, liter stands for which unit? Look, that I did not ask conversion. Liter stands for, huh? Volume, capacity. Liter is standing for what? Volume. If it is given, this bottle contains 1 liter liquid. What is the meaning? Volume of liquid is equal to 1 liter. This, that why I am telling this one, we have to read and identify. In the, what is it? Water emptied at the rate of what? 25 by 7 liter per second. Do you know what is the meaning? Volume of water removed in 1 second is equal to, volume of water removed in 1 second is equal to 25 by 7 liters. Read carefully, I repeat. The water emptied at the rate of 25 by 7 liters per second. Means 1 second, how much water is emptied? 3 point. 25 by 7 liters. Understood or not? Now that liter will be, to do the question, we have to convert liter into centimeter cube. Then, how will you find the time taken? Time taken is equal to total volume divided by volume emptied in 1 second. Are you followed? Time taken is equal to how much total divided by volume of water removed in 1 second. That will be the time. Unitary form. Cost of 25 pence is equal to 200 rupees. What the cost of 1 pen? 200 divided by 25. The same way it will be coming as. Okay. So that is similar format it is coming. Time taken is equal to, this is the formula. What is the formula? Time taken is equal to total volume or total capacity divided by volume transferred in 1 second. Answer will be this many seconds. In 1 minute means answer will be this many minutes. In 1 hour means this many hours. This formula followed or not? So you if you want that formula, write down first of all. Write that common formula. Time taken is equal to total volume divided by time taken is equal to total volume divided by volume transferred in 1 second. Volume transferred means volume of water transferred in 1 second. Here, how much is the total volume? What will be the total volume? Half the volume of the tank. How much you are removing? Half the volume. Okay. Here it is time for total volume is same as half the volume. Why? You are emptying how much only? Half the volume. So for now below write down. Write down. For the tank, R is equal to 3 by 2 meter. Convert into centimeter. R is equal to 3 by 2 meter, which is equal to 150 centimeter. Volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi R cube. That is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 150 cube centimeter cube. This is the volume of the water. Okay, it's half you have to take. That later will write. Next is volume of water transferred in 1 second. Transfer in 1 second is equal to how much? 25 by 7 liters. That is equal to 25 by 7 into 1000 centimeter cube. This is one first condition. This is second condition. Are you followed? This is liter is given, that is the volume converted into, followed or not? Therefore, time taken is equal to half volume of tank divided by volume transfer in 1 second. in 1 second. That is equal to half into 2 by 3 pi into 150 cube divided by 25 by 7 into 1000. Are you followed? Half the volume is half into volume of the tank. Clear or not? Now, put the value of pi, 25 by 7, cancel, and let's see who will get the answer. Let's see who can cancel. It's very simple. Simple means not very complicated. Cancel. Okay, put value of pi is 22 by 7 and simplify. Are you all followed? Those who did not follow, raise a hand. I'll explain again. Minuli, are you followed? Something is following now. Arya, following. Priya,
Yes.
okay. Deepam, yes sir. Following now. Put pi and 150 cube, you write 150 into 150 into 150. Fractional form way, then cancel. Don't make mistake. Let's see who gets. No multiplications required. Write one, no multiplications. Write this into this into this. Cancellations will be. What the answer? Huh?
Good.
Cancel. No multiplication, only cancellations. Time is individually. Seconds. This is seconds now. Like this means struggling. No calculations at all. Look here. Here, first step. All of you look here. By looking here, any can cancellation, yes, I can cancel this. Okay, 5 cannot be cancelled. Look, then I will write 22. This is coming, 3 will come, 7 will come. Into 150. How many times? 150. Into 150. This measure done. This all will come denominator. Into 25. If you want to write 7, you can write above, or here you write and cancel. Into 1000. 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Then what is it? 15, 5, 3 are. Then 5, 5 are. 5 and 3 are. Left out is how much? 22 into 3 into 15. What is the problem over here? 45 to the 90, 990. This means seconds divided by 60. 0 cancel 933 by 2. 16.5 minutes. Check the steps. It's not complicated ones. Not much to do it. All zeros cancel. Normal things only. No multiplication. Nothing at all. What happened, Bhavya? What was your mistake?
I got 6 into 20 into 50.
6 into 20 into 15. 1, 2, then half you did not multiply. Now half the volume will you take? You half the empty time, no, not full time. Half into, not volume of the tank, half the volume, that's why half. Hello, is it so complicated? Check anything, not anything. See, I cancel these two. Then divide by 3, 22 by 7. All it's all normal, no multi. Okay, learn how to do it. Done. Yeah. Your friend is sitting and talking only.
Sir, change that plate. No, she will not stay.
He will not be quiet. See, but your friend is telling he will not be quiet. Chalo. Okay now. Follow people follow. Next one. Question. Yogesh, read the question loudly. Carefully read loudly so that everyone should understand the meaning. All of you listen.
A wooden toy was made by scooping out a hemisphere of same radius from each end of a solid cylinder. The height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of 3. The base is of radius 3.5 centimeter and the volume of wooden
The toy. So, what is the shape of the toy? From a cylinder, what is removed? Top one hemisphere is removed. Down also one hemisphere is removed. And by scooping out hemisphere on each end. That means they are from the cylinder, one hemisphere on the top and one hemisphere on the bottom removed of the same radius. Yes or no? Therefore, volume of the toy is equal to volume of the cylinder minus 2 times volume of the hemisphere. What happened? Did you read the question? First statement is written. Wooden toy is made by scooping out a hemisphere of same radius from each end of the cylinder. There is a cylinder, one hemisphere is removed from the top, one hemisphere is removed from the bottom. Therefore, what is the volume of the full cylinder minus volume of one hemisphere and volume of the two hemispheres? Okay, so right, first statement right. Volume of the wood is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of hemisphere. 2 into volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder minus 2 times volume of hemisphere. Written. 2 times means 2 multiplied by
No, sir, after that.
volume of hemisphere. 2 times volume of hemisphere. Condition number 1. Written all of you. Then next below right for the cylinder R is equal to how much? 3.5 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. R is write the steps, my dear. Don't do this way. Exam you do, that is why marks are not coming. Okay, sir. For the cylinder, R is equal to how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. H is equal to 10 centimeter. Now for hemisphere, what is it? R is equal to same 7 by 2 centimeter. Therefore, volume of wood is equal to pi r square h minus 2 times 2 by 3 pi r cube. Radius is same, that is why I took the same thing. Then, after that, what you can do? Take pi r square common. H minus 4r by 3. Then substitute and solve it. Let's see. The remaining substitution, all values are given. Pi value substitute. 22 by 7. Without mistake, do it. Don't look here and there. Substitute, simplify. You will get the answer. You should take common factor, my dear friend. You, how many times I can tell? You will take common factor, it's easy. Inwardly, are you doing? Okay. R is 7 by 2, no? Where is the 3 is gone? Where is the 3 unknown is gone? Where doing? Into 7 by 2. Then only bracket comes, no? So bracket is outside. 7 by 2, right? So that you can simplify a fraction, not put decimal and fraction together. This is 4 by 3, na? 3 is here. 4 by 3 into 7 by 2. Where? These two cancel. 14 by 3. 10 minus. What about you, this man? What is he doing? Secret is doing. He. Not wrong. Look. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. How many times? 2 times. 10 minus 4 by 3 into 7 by 2. This is cancelled. 2's are. That is, this is cancelled. 11. This is cancelled. That is 77 by 2 is outside. 10 minus 14 by 3. If you take the LCM, 10, this is how much is coming as 77 by 2 into 10 3s are 30 minus 14 is 16 by 3. This is cancelled 18. Sorry, not 8. So answer is 77 into 8 by 3. That one division only gets 77 into 8 upon 3. Multiply and divide by 3. 77 to 8. 616. Divided by 3. 205.33 centimeter cube. Is now only 77 to 8 is a multiplication. Nothing else. Carefully do it, you will be able to do. But you have to be careful. Gaurish, is not early.
Yes.
What did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Same answer. Did you write the steps under? Printed. I will come and see the printed one. You can see. $13.5. What happened there? Why a mistake? See, that is doing no. Show me the book. $22 by 7. 3 into 3. How did you? R is how much? And how did you 3 and 3? H is how much? This what is 3 into 3 into? How 3? 10. Height is equal to 10 now. What is it here? First and foremost thing, don't do this way, my dear. Take common factor and this one. Any step is there, teacher will see there is no step, mark is 0. Don't do Babia this way. You have to write, and everywhere you are writing, steps are not writing. I am giving enough space for you to do. And time also I am giving. That also, most of the time, directly you are writing, subtraction. Don't do. Properly do it, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, Tariku, done? Okay. Now, homework exercise, all of you do that question number 10. Sorry, question. Why are you looking behind? Why you need to look behind? I am telling you, don't look behind now. You PR also know less. Melvin,
Yes.
read that question. Question number 7.
And container shaped like a right circular cylinder
Arya.
having diameter 12 centimeters and height 15 centimeters is full of ice cream. This ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream.
Are you followed? What is the meaning? There is a container. What is the shape of the container? A cylinder. Which contains what? Ice cream, full of ice cream. No? Okay. Then it has to be made into what? Cone. What is the shape of each cone? It is cone is not simply cone. Cone with a hemisphere on the top. One ice cream cone means what? There is a cone and a hemisphere on the top. Therefore, whatever. Read the ice cream. Do you know ice cream is not the cone? Have you seen ice cream? You licking only now. So, the ice cream cone contains, okay, what is it? Each cone is height is equal to 12 centimeter and diameter is equal to 6 centimeter, having an hemispherical top. Are you followed? Now we have to find out number of such cones. How do you find the number of? How do you find the number of cones? Volume of the container divided by volume of one cone. So right. Total volume divided by volume of one. How many times I have said the formula? Right. Number of cones is equal to total volume of total volume divided by volume of one ice cream cone. One ice cream cone. Condition 1. Now, for the container, R is equal to, how much is R? 6 centimeter. H is equal to 15 centimeter. R is equal to 6 centimeter. H is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to pi R square H is equal to pi into 6 into 6 into 15 centimeter cube. If you want direct multiplication only, 15 6 are, do you know how much? 15 6 are 90. 90 into 6, 540. 540 pi, don't put the value pi. 540 pi, 15 6 are 9 pi centimeter cube. Written. That, why are you looking this way? First time seeing out, pi into 6 multiplied by 6 into 15. 15 into 6 is 90. 9 6 are 54. 540 pi centimeter cube. Next, for each ice cream cone. For cylinder, not cylinder, for conical part. What is the cone? What is the radius? How much is the radius? 6 and height 3 and height 12 centimeter. And for hemisphere, same radius equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, volume of one ice cream cone is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Are you followed? So here you can take 1 by 3 pi r square common. H plus 2r. What's the answer? Final answer. What's the answer? Very good. Therefore, this is equal to 1 by 3 pi. R is how much? 3. 3 into 3. H is how much? 12 plus 2 into 3. That is, this is cancelled. 12 plus 6 is 18. 3s are 54. 5 centimeter cube. That is volume of one ice cream cone. Therefore, number of cones is equal to, what is the container volume? 540. 5. Volume of one ice cream cone? 54 pi. That is equal to 10. Number of cones equal to 10. Careful, these all important types of question. Are you followed? Okay, you did? Steps are written? Sure. Very good. Okay, 5 minutes break required. Ice cream. Ah, oh. So you brought the ice cream. Amma, you brought ice cream.
Very